sweet potato gnocchi. What did we do? And now I'm officially in the holiday mood, just like you. Ingredients. Guys, I am so excited because as you saw, we kicked off this holiday season with the Pasta Queen series and our lemon custard crumble cake, which was a total extravaganza of flavors. But today, I'm going to show you a gorgeous spin to your classic potato gnocchi, but we're gonna make it holiday. We're gonna make it special. It's gonna be extra colorful, extra nutrition, and simply delicious. We are making a sweet potato gnocco dumpling. It's going to be extra gorgeous, soft, with a little sweetness that the sweet potato gives to it, and a very simple, gorgeous, creamy butter sauce as a topping. So simple, so quick compared to your usual, I don't know, meat sauce that you would do with a gnocco. A sweet potato base, the soft wheat double of flour with it, and then a butter sage parmigiano melted on top. Mamma mia, it's gonna be oof. First thing first, we're going to bake the sweet potatoes. Definitely do not use water with the sweet potatoes. There's so much fiber, it will literally fill up with water and you're not gonna get your gnocco. So we're punching little holes in it, and then we're going to roast them in the oven. And now let's put them in the oven. Okay, we've got them nice and roasted. It's very important that even though sweet potatoes are super fibrous, so they attract and they retain a lot of water, that you try to dry them and pat them down as much as possible to make sure that when you get to the finish of this dough, it's not sticking to your fingers. However, it is very important that you really dry your potato as much as possible, because you want to definitely retain the ratio of more potatoes versus flour. This will make the gnocchi a lot more soft, pillowy, not doughy, not doughy. You do not want this kind of like hard, rubbery gnocco. Now we're going down to 1 inch in width and 1 inch in length. So we're going to go and create that cute little rope, 1 inch wide, and then we cut into 1 inch soft pillows. For this recipe, you have two options. Getting a serving gorgeous tray, whatever you want. I have a copper, hammered copper, gorgeous oval tray. If you want to take this extra step, you can, but it's fully optional. You can then toss the entire thing in the oven to give it a little crispy gnocchi finish, or serve it hot while it cooked on the stove, just as is. It both ways is gonna give you different kind of finishes. What I really like, and I'm gonna experiment today, is putting a little pumpkin seed, roasted pumpkin seeds, on the finished dish. Let me show you. For this recipe, I'm adding a splash of heavy cream to the butter and sage, which is completely unheard of, but we don't care. I think it's gonna taste incredible. Sweet potato gnocchi go in. Pinch of salt. While the gnocchi are coming along perfectly and they're popping to the surface, we're quickly toasting pumpkin seeds for toppings. It's a holiday dish. We're gonna add some fall seasonal elements to make this different textures. We're gonna have cream texture. We're gonna have that, texture of the sweet potato gnocchi. We are going to have the parmigiano shavings and the crunchy toasted pumpkin seeds on the top. Wow. You know the old age rule of taking the gnocchi out as they float to the surface? In this case, our gnocchi are a little bit bigger than normal. Once they float to the surface, we leave them for about a minute and a half, and then they're ready to go out. Shaves of Parmigiano Reggiano. Ooh, they're hot. Pumpkin seeds toasted. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Guys, I think we created almost like a incredible pasta illusion. Like, people don't even realize this is actually gnocchi because it's orange. The sweet potatoes are little disguised into these dumplings of love. But even myself, I had to double take here. I was like, what is this? Is this actually a pasta dish? Bring it, serve it like this. I mean, look how gorgeous it is. It looks like an exotic fall dish. And then when you taste it, you realize, oh my gosh, this is a sweet potato gnocchi. And it's gorgeous, and it's delicate, and it's mwah, chef's kiss, just like you.